What's up YouTube? FB Aftermath here. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to have the best arm workout of your life. And it all starts at the house. Well, you don't have to be at the house to do this. You can be at the gym already, but it's preferred that you're at the house already actually. So actually don't be at the gym. A lot of people tend to take a lot of caffeine before they work out just because it makes them more focused, more alert. But when it comes to arm training, I don't really think you need all that focused alertness. You just need to feel what Arnold calls the pump. The pump is pretty much a skin splitting feeling that's just, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just a skin splitting feeling, whatever. Anyways, so one thing you don't want to do is take too much caffeine. I try not to have more than 200 milligrams of caffeine. It's one of my lighter days. So for that, I use, of course, the softer energy drink of the day, which is the gfuel. Of course, it comes with good vitamins as well in it. So this is only around 200 milligrams over my normal 400 for an actual workout day where I'm doing chest or back, whatever, where it really needs to be focused. Second off is about 50 grams of carbs right before. So this is Evogen. These are not my sponsors. I'm doing this under my own influence. Wildberry, glycojet. There's glycojet. There is glycojet, carb blend. This is another one I've been taking. And then there's a carbolic from ProSups. That is good. Make sure you get 50 grams of carbs before your arm session and at least down one of these. So I would probably down one of these like 2 hours before your session. You need to be hydrated. You need your cells to be saturated. And this will be the best way for you to get a hard splitting, arm growing pump. So let's hit the gym.
When I was a little boy, I wanted to be a hero.
The truth is, when you get older, sometimes things don't always turn out the way you hope they would. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Handle that business. Believe in yourself. Create your own destiny.
All right, so first thing we're gonna do is get to the gym. And we're here right now, magically, right? No, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do chin-ups and dips. With the dips, we're gonna try to be as upright as we can, right? Instead of trying to take the exercise off the chest and put it more on the triceps. So we're just gonna be like right here, boom. Switching over, 10 reps there. 7, 8, 10 reps there. We're gonna do 3 sets each, back to back, superset. 10 dips, 10 chin-ups to get pretty much that blood flow. It's a body movement. Really good to start off the routine with and also work your major muscles along with it. We call this series the Growing Gamer. GG, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call this series the Growing Gamer. So we got the last gaming video for my gamers who wanna get fit. This is the second video for that. We're still doing the summer performance. We've been throwing that out as well. So it's going back to back. Leaving to Samoa for a video, a weightlifting video with gold medalist Olympic athlete, and that'll be on the Olympic channel. So more details coming soon. So before we hit the free weights, one thing you want to do that I feel is best is to make sure you're primed, fully warmed up, your muscle, your blood flow is doing pretty good, and also your joints are lubricated. Now, I like to do cables right before I go to the free weights. And with free weights meaning barbell or dumbbell work without any cable mechanisms, simply because I feel the muscles working a lot more when I've done my cable work before that. So we did a body weight, cable, body weight, cable, free weight, and we'll do that rotation again as well. So we're gonna do 4 sets, about 15 reps. Catching my breath right now. It's an arm day and I'm over here like, can't even breathe. But 4 sets, 15 reps, starting now. Not heavy enough. 3, take your time with each rep also. 6, don't just, take your time. different weight more, going up each time. Just like on any, you know, I know I'm exaggerating this on arm day, but this is honestly something you should be doing every day on whatever muscles. And I know I've talked about training fasted. Sometimes I do train fasted. I don't really do a arm workout specifically if I'm trying to make my arms look better fasted. I carb up and stuff before that. Other times I'm not trying to really grow my chest and nothing else. I don't want to get any bigger in those areas, but stay hydrated. Drink, I drunk before, drinking this, and I got more carbs right now to keep the nutrients flowing, keep everything going. So it's good to drink before and during. And if you're not drinking anything during, you know, drink some BCAAs. It's always a good thing to constantly have something going throughout your cycling through your system. Next up, we got preacher curls, single arm for 8 reps. Each arm, 4 sets. Oh, so I already lost one douche, but so do they come in singles? They probably don't.
I don't think so.
Damn, yeah, I already lost one of the earbuds. I lost the other pair of these, but the girl at the gym here, Camila, found it, so I haven't picked it up from her in the last week, but yeah. So I lost my other Beats. If it weren't for her, they would have really been lost. And I lost one of my AirPods. So if you found it, let me know. Call me at 281-330-8004. Hit Mike Jones up on the low, because Mike oh my God. Inside joke. Oh, I wish I could just put you guys in on the laughter right now, because it would be like world domination heavy everywhere. Oh my God. Just let you know, females are funny, man. That's all. Especially when they feel themselves, and it's not their vision. It's not what shows on screen. Oh my God. It's like that guy who thinks he's the shit with like lat syndrome, and he's just walking around like he owns the gym or something. Actually, no, it's much better than that. Never mind. I can't even, it doesn't even comprehend. All right, let's get this last set in. This Kanye West Kid Cudi shit is fire. This movement is kind of a different thing. It's a tricep extension, right? But instead of coming all the way back here, you come like right here to that connection of the shoulder and the chest. And we just it's kind of like a tricep extension / press. And we're going to do 3 sets of 20 reps. gfuel.com, use code Aftermath. This is the last day to get 30% off, so make sure you do so now. 30% off. Try some G Fuel out, man. Try Phaseberry, Tropical Rain, Strawberry Shortcake with milk, peach iced tea, and yeah, those are my faves. So check it out. All right, so next up, right after that, same weight, 8 reps each, hammer curls. I love hammer curls because they definitely built that arm thickness, some nice thick arms. So when the girl grab it, she don't put her hand all the way around it. It's like got some weight to it, you know?
60.
So we got incline diamond push-ups for 4 sets of 12. And then we're gonna do body curls where you put the bar down, you get under the bar, you curl like that for 8 reps. For entertainment purposes, to make the video longer, I'm extending this session, but for my beginners, I actually want you to stop right before my last exercise. Just because I feel like 6 movements, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 6 movements for you to start out is good enough. I'm continuing on for the advanced people that have been training for a while and pretty much know what they're doing. So we're gonna be doing 12 movements today, so 6 and then another 6 of the same thing we did before, but different movements. So we got our unweighted movements out the way. Now we're doing our cable movements, and then we're going back to free weights. And then I'll end the day for arm training. The same movement of hammer, but it's a drag curl. So drag curls, instead of going up, you bring your elbows back like this. We're gonna do a set of 15, 12, 12, and 8. Really good to really ignite the pump again. Let's say if you're losing your pump, that volume in your session and you're like, oh, I need to find something quick to do, drag curls are very good to do because it pretty much, it's like restricting. It's like restriction when you get to this point and all you have nothing to do but flex that bicep. So much. We'll do sets of 15, 3 sets. I don't know what number I'm on right now. Let's tune into the music, guys. I count. God damn, bro. It's not even a lot of weight. That shit hurt. Let's go free weights. Finish off with biceps, 3 sets of 8. Curls, straight bar curls. Controlled reps. Realize how slow I did that. 1, 2, and at that maximum contraction. Squeeze a little bit, and I go back. We'll go back to the extension press. The overhead for 12 reps, 3 sets. Just grip it. All right, YouTube, that's the end of the video. Appreciate you guys for watching. For all of my gamers interested, I do have a gaming channel. I do get a lot of inside exclusive gaming videos, press kit stuff. So I'm gonna be more active on my gaming channel, I think this time around, for real this time. So check it out, link in the bio. Also check me out on Twitch Live, all right? Live streaming, would be live streaming gaming and fitness at twitch.tv/FBAftermath. Thank you for the support. I'm out, time to go eat. Peace.
When I was a little boy, I wanted to be a hero.
Truth is, when you get older, sometimes things don't always turn out the way you hope they would. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Handle that business. Believe in yourself. Create your own destiny.
Don't forget that heat, bitch.
My name is Jeff. Ex jefe, man.